Hi, my name is Chris Kasak, and I had a great idea. My idea was to create science nature kits that kids and teachers could use out in our green space at our school. And these kits would be science-based STEM kits that are tied to the curriculum topics we cover in our classroom, and often we do not have the time to pursue further. So I wanted the kids to be able to or teachers to grab and go and explore and enjoy extra science and pursue a little bit further beyond the lessons of the classroom. We created our curriculum at Woodson, and now we are putting it into action. We use it in the classroom, and yet we have all these wonderful ideas that we have attached to the curriculum, but we never seem with our tight schedule to be able to give the kids the extra time to have some fun and use play and inquiry to add to their lessons. So this came about because of my passion for that. I really enjoyed the workshop because it gave us a chance, I was able to bring a partner with me, gave us the chance to really sit back and think about our idea and how we wanted to go about developing it. And the presenters kind of guided us through that. We started with this simple idea, and then we did various activities to really take this idea apart and fine-tune it and decide where we were going from there. My partner and I sat down and came up with 6 topics that we could just begin with to maybe come up with our first prototype. And so those 6 topics were tied to our spring curriculum, and we took the ideas to our whole staff at a meeting and asked them to participate and give their ideas of things they'd like to see in the box, and also to give us the things they wanted to see in each box each time. So is there a blueprint? Is there a rubric they wanted us to follow? So we collected all these ideas, and we've now kind of come up with one little prototype kit for one of the themes, and we're developing that. So we're taking it from there, and our goal for the end of the year then is to develop 6 of these nature science kits and have them ready within the next month, hopefully the next month, for our teachers to put to use and to use with their kids. You know, it really felt great to be supported by teachers throughout the curriculum and my own staff that I work with, for them to latch onto this idea that I had some passion for and to support it by voting for it. And it really just, like we say at Woodson, it filled my bucket, and it really gave me the jump start I needed to work on this idea and get it to move forward. I think we're teachers in a building, and we feel some ownership there, and we have passions for our classrooms and for our students. And I think I would encourage anyone who has just this idea that might even seem out of the box or a little unusual or out of the ordinary to just pursue this and try it. I was pleasantly surprised and excited to move forward and know that I have some support to do that. And in the end, it benefits kids and it helps them to be successful.